Are you tired of the chaos? The constant back and forth, the who has access to what, headaches, and the nagging worry that sensitive financial data might fall into the wrong hands within your own team. If you're running a business, especially one that relies on a platform like Relay Bank for its financial operations, then you know the struggle is real. You want your team to be efficient, to have the tools they need to do their jobs, but you also need control, security, and peace of mind. Imagine a world where every single team member at your company, from the newest intern to the most seasoned CFO, has precisely the level of access they need in Relay Bank, no more, no less. A world where you can delegate tasks confidently, knowing that the guardrails are firmly in place. A world where you're not just managing money, but masterfully managing the people who manage the money. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today, we're going to turn that dream into your reality. Welcome, financial navigators and business leaders, to the definitive guide on setting up custom account permissions for your teams in Relay Bank. This isn't just a tutorial, it's an empowerment session. We're going to dive deep, dissecting every facet of Relay's robust permission system to ensure that by the end of this video, you'll be able to sculpt a perfectly tailored access environment for your team, boosting efficiency, enhancing security, and ultimately, giving you back control over your financial operations. Why is this so crucial? Think about it. In a traditional banking setup, giving someone access often means giving them all access. That's a huge risk. With Relay Bank, however, you have granular control. This is vital for several reasons. Firstly, security. The fewer people with full access to your bank accounts, the lower the risk of internal fraud or accidental errors. Secondly, efficiency. When team members only see what's relevant to their role, they can work faster and with fewer distractions. Thirdly, accountability. Clear permissions mean clear responsibilities. You know who can do what, and they know what they are authorized to do. Finally, scalability. As your team grows, you can easily onboard new members with predefined roles, ensuring a smooth and secure expansion. Before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly lay the groundwork. Relay Bank is designed with modern businesses in mind, understanding that financial management is rarely a one-person show. Their robust permission system is a testament to this understanding. We'll be primarily working within the Team or Users section of your Relay Bank dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. Make sure you have administrator access to your Relay Bank account to follow along effectively. If you're not an administrator, you'll need to get in touch with the account owner to grant you the necessary privileges. Alright, let's get down to business. The first step in setting up custom account permissions is understanding the different types of team members you might have and the broad categories of access they'll need. Think about your organizational chart and the financial responsibilities associated with each role. For example, you might have the account owner/administrator, this is you, or whoever has ultimate control. They have full access to everything, including setting up and modifying permissions. The bookkeeper/accountant, they need to view transactions, categorize expenses, reconcile accounts, and potentially initiate payments. The operations manager, they might need to view specific accounts related to operational expenses, approve vendor payments, and track budgets. The payroll specialist, they'll need to access specific accounts for payroll disbursements and view employee payment history. The marketing manager, they might need to view marketing spend and approve invoices related to campaigns. The junior team member/intern, they might only need to view transaction history for specific projects, without any ability to initiate or approve payments. Once you have a clear picture of these roles, you can begin to map out the specific permissions each role requires. Now, let's log into your Relay Bank account. Once you're in, navigate to the Team or Users section. The exact wording might vary slightly, but it's usually found in the main navigation menu or under your account settings. Upon entering the Team section, you'll likely see a list of existing team members, if any. To add a new team member, you'll typically click on an Invite User or Add Team Member button. This is where the customization journey begins. When you invite a new user, you'll be prompted to enter their email address. This is crucial as Relay Bank will send an invitation to this email address, allowing them to set up their own login credentials. After entering their email, you will be presented with the core of the permission settings. Relay Bank typically offers a few predefined roles, such as admin, bookkeeper, or viewer. While these are a great starting point, our goal today is to go beyond these presets and create truly custom roles. Look for an option that says something like Custom Permissions, Configure Permissions, or Set Specific Access. This is where you unlock the granular control we've been talking about. You will usually see a list of your Relay Bank accounts, followed by various permission toggles or checkboxes for each account. This is where you get to decide what each team member can do with each of your business accounts. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.